Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I live in New York City and this is what we do. We go to the laundromat, some people. So I'm about to do my laundry, so yeah. I'm trying to hurry up because I gotta go to, it's now 12 o'clock and I gotta pick up my daughter at 2 o'clock. So anxiety through the roof. That's load 1. Now it's time for load 2. This is like the dark place. This one, yeah, I gotta get this one for this one. These are my man clothes. You gotta watch this. So I'm gonna just put this one over here. What I used to wash is this. This. So I ain't got no money, I gotta go add balance. So it takes like 23 minutes, so then we're gonna do the same thing. Extra wash. So now for my man like working clothes, I have to use this, the Tide OxiClean, because he works with trucks, you know. So I gotta use the Tide OxiClean odor blocker, so the clothes don't smell like engine oil. I'm gonna mix it. So what I do is just keep throwing soap because I want it to be real fresh. So they're currently still washing. They only take like 25 minutes, so I should be up and out of here in no time. I got like 20 more minutes until I gotta go. because it's like 1:20 now, and I gotta pick up my kids at 2:10. So I gotta hurry up and go because I don't like dealing with anxiety. So I think I'll be able. Still have like 30 minutes on the washer. That's like 150. Anxiety gonna be rushing to the roof. So I just gotta hurry up and get home and get to the school. Hopefully I can make it. That's all that's on my mind, washing these clothes. But yeah, I'll let you guys know what the time I'm working with when the machine stops spinning. I mean dryer. So it's now 1:44. I need to leave like 1:50. So I still got a little time. I'm just gonna hurry up and get my clothes. How does it look? Hey guys, so I am done right now and it's like 1:54. Still good time. I'm just gonna hurry up, get home, put on these bags, then go for my kids. I'm gonna be a little late, but oh well. But anyway, that's how I do laundry because my washer is currently broken. So I gotta go to the laundromat. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to follow the Moxam family. Bye.